Nancy. Introduce yourself in Tagalog.
Ako si Nancy.
Ganda. Di ba? Yan na guys, i-announce na, lumabas na. Naku po. Nakakaba. My fam, yan fam. Good morning po sa inyo. Nandito tayo ngayon sa San Benedetto, malapit sa school ni Nancy. Kasi ngayon ay meron siyang lesson dito sa San Benedetto. Pero bagong lahat, panibagong araw, panibagong vlog na naman dito sa Nyan family. Maraming salamat at nandito po kayo ngayon. So yun nga, nandito tayo ngayon sa school ni Nancy dahil sinamahan ko siya dahil may lesson siya today. Yan, kanina pa kami nandito actually. 1 hour na ang nakakalipas. Nagstay lang ako sa sakyan, tapos nag YouTube and nag search and then I decided na lumabas na kasi medyo may araw na. Kanina medyo makulimlim kaya yun, kaya nagstay lang ako sa loob ng sasakyan, no? So ngayong araw na to is the second day ng pagpili ng new pope natin. So I think lumabas na yung second smoke and it's still black, so that means na wala pa ring napipili. Kaya I think hopefully tonight makapili na sila, like what I said in the last vlog guys, na if it's kung mapili si Bishop Tagle, it will be very emotional for me kasi nga kakilala ko siya in person. And dati akong sakristan, no? dati po akong gitna natin yan. Dati po akong nagse-serve sa church for 7 years. Yan. Kaya guys, magiging emotional ako diyan sa part na yan. So I keep thinking, I think a lot of people saying, even yung mama ni Nancy na laging nasa church, sinasabi na a lot of people voting for Tagle, for Bishop Tagle. So I think he will be the next pope, but of course until the white smoke lumabas doon sa chimney, hindi pa tayo pwede mag-celebrate or what. Kasi si Bishop Tagle guys, kung alam nyo, it's taga Imus Cavite rin siya. So doon din ng city ko, doon din ako nakatira, kaya yun. So sana guys where's my so sana nga mapili si Bishop Tagle. Let's hope. So what do you think guys? Maraming good candidates na pwedeng pagpilian, no? Meron isa na from Singapore yata and from I don't know, na pwedeng maging next pope. Yan. So let's see, let's hope. Maybe bago matapos ang vlog may napili na, no? So let's see in the end of this vlog kung mayroon na nga bang napili or yan. So ang mga bata ay nandun sa si Dylan ay nasa school, si Noah ay nasa lolo niya, no? Hinatid ko kanina. And guys, I want to say thank you nga pala dun sa mga nag-comment na last vlog natin, yung sa bagong haircut ni Noah Gabriel, na na pogi, kamukha ni Nancy. Wala nagsabi na kamukha ni Ian, but that's okay. Better kamukha ni Nancy, no, kasi pogi nga, no. Yan. So pakita ko sa inyo dito guys, ang ganda dito. Puro puno lang siya. Puro puno lang siya. So yun. And yung part na yun doon, it's yung beach. Yan, beach side na yan dyan. Kaya, beach side. Kaya guys, baka maglakad-lakad ako doon sa kabila kasi doon may araw, dito masilong at medyo malamig-lamig ng konti yung silong. Kaya, it's better if punta tayo doon sa kabilang side, no? Yung sa dagat side. So, let's see, pakita ko din sa inyo doon. Medyo tahimik dito, wala masyado sasakyan kasi sarado yung kalsada doon sa may ginagawa yata. Alright, so Tawid tayo, tawid. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo dito guys, yan ha. Oh, ayan oh. Yan. So kung mapapansin nyo, may traktor. Kasi pinapatag na yan ng pinapatag na yan dyan. Getting ready for summer. Yan ang karaniwang style dito sa medyo maaraw. Karaniwang style dito sa Italy, sa beach side, like kung nasaan kami ngayon. It's inaayos nila yung beach, no, bago mag-summer, which is normal kasi yan yung mga business, yan na magbubukas na yung mga bar, like mga bar dito. Kaya yun. So excited na rin kami mag beach. And I think this summer pupunta kami sa isang bansa which is not sure yet, na first time naming mapupuntahan. First time ko na mapupuntahan. I think nakapunta na sila Nancy doon. Yun yung magiging vacation namin this year. Kasi last year, diba, nasa Pilipinas tayo. So this year, kasama namin yung parents ni Nancy for the vacation and all the family in Nancy's side. Kaya yung pupunta kami sa isang bansa, out of the country kami, but it's not sure yet, didn't plan yet, pero gusto nilang puntahan nyo. Yan yung school ni Nancy. Oh, si Kuya doon, pang malakasan, no? Oh, yun, no? Pang malakasan si Kuya, walang suot. Lang siya, lamig kaya, malamig yung hangin. Pang malakasan si Kuya, guys. Malakasan, no? Yun guys, so lalakad-lakad muna ako habang nantay ko si Nancy. Actually I have to wait another hour. And strange dito, usually maraming tao dito naglalakad-lakad dahil siguro sarado yung kalsada dito. Usually maraming tao naglalakad-lakad dito. Ngayon is walang katao-tao, parang meron naman mga naglalakad pero hindi katulad like normal. It's not normal, no? Kasi dito maraming naglalakad-lakad talaga. Yeah. Yun, so what else I need to say? Oh guys, yung channel ko, please support the other channels once na masimulan na, please subscribe na kayo doon. Wow, ito sa inyo dito. Linis na. Oh, yan. Yes. Oh. Nako. Umaambon. Balik muna ako sa sakyan. Wala akong payong. Nako po. Dito maganda yung maganda yung araw. Maganda yung may ulap. Dito banda. Yan. Maulap. Okay. Kailangan ko tumakbo guys, umaambon. Nako. Pag nabasa tong camera, mahirap na. Hindi pa naman ito waterproof. Run. Yari. Kung kailan naman ako magsimula maglakad, saka naman umambon. Na makaabot ako sa sakyan. Yan, basa na. Maulang ulap dito sa banda dito. Oh. Ayan oh. Ayan ang ulap. Yan ang ulap guys. Dadaan lang yan pero papunta doon eh. So pag naglakad ako papunta doon sa may sasakyan namin. Dito. Wala na ako. Susi. Okay. Ayan, medyo tumila na. Ang konti. Pero go pa rin tayo. Go pa rin. Mas safe pa rin talaga sakyan pag ganito. Hindi mo malaman kung ano ang gagawin mo. Yun, nag-aambon. Basa na ang camera. Dito na ako sa sakyan. Dala ko Dala namin sa sakyan ni Nancy. Alright, let's go. Oh guys, ayun na, ano na, nakaabot na. Yan no, basa-basa na. Oh, baka sabihin nyo nagsisinungaling. Oh, ayan oh, naambon. Alam ko kung kita nyo, pero naambon. Better safe tayo, kasi wala akong dalang bag, wala rin akong dalang protection dito sa camera natin. Mahirap na. Dodala ko tong maliit na camera, yung DJI Osmo Pocket. Yan. Pero better safe than sorry later, no? So yan, nantayin ko si Nancy. 3 o'clock na, 4 o'clock pa yung tapos niya, 1 hour pa. So manonood na lang ako ng movie muna dito. Tapos after namin dito guys, mag-grocery kami ni Nancy habang wala yung mga bata. Samantalahin kasi bibili ako ng pandikit doon sa puzzle. Hiningal ako. Hiningal ako guys. Hiningal tayo, hiningal. Okay, put down this. Yan, mas maganda dito. Hiningal ako sa takbo. Let's see kung may news na sa Pope. Okay, let's see. News. New Pope. Okay, 31 minutes ago, black smoke at Vatican signal. No new Pope as conclave runs into second day. So, yun, wala pa daw. Wala pa rin. So yun, antay-antay lang tayo. No guys. So guys, medyo lobat yung camera natin. And see you in a bit na lang, okay? Tignan ko kung ma-charge ko dito, kung may cable tayo. Right. See you in a bit. Yan fam. Tapos na daw yung lesson nila Nancy. Ito, medyo antok na ako dito. Mind game lang ako. Medyo inaantok na ako. After 30 minutes tapos na raw siya mag-lesson. So antay natin dito and then let's go na. Medyo gutom ako guys. Gutom, antok. At yan, tinan nyo ako, makulimlim na. Pero hindi na siya naulan, but still makulimlim. Ito na si Nancy guys. So yan, naglalakad. Siya. Antok din to ah.
Hello.
Are you sleepy also?
No.
Me, I'm so sleepy.
Want to drive?
Huh?
I drive.
It's okay.
No, I drive.
Okay, you drive.
Okay, thank you.
Good night. Okay.
Stop in a grocery, ah.
Okay. Because I want to pee. You want to pee? Because you are inside. Maybe we can stop to one of those gas station. No. Change muna, si Nancy daw ang magdadrive. Dahil antok ako. 1 hour. Wait. Napakita ko na ba sa inyo yung bago kong keychain sa aking phone? It's me, Mario.
It's me. Kami Fadilan.
Kami Fadilan. What I say?
Would you say that guy is in studying with me?
Really?
You see how fit? No, you don't see because it's fat, but he has like it's pumped.
Right. You can see in the back.
It's pumped.
Pumped.
More or less all of it, no, except some. All of the one that are following the Russian notation, they're all like
Pumped.
pumped.
Today's vlog is just taka-taka. It's just talking guys, because what else we can say? Nothing. On this vlog it's a bit boring.
Look at the ball.
Huh?
Look, you see the ball?
See the ball in the hand. Yes, I can see. Kasi nag-ano daw siya, nang nag-bake siya. How many? What?
100, allora 78 più 50 fa 120, 120 round plus 120 small flowers.
120 balls.
No, circle, like
Circles.
to write the Guri Mama. You know?
Okay. Kasi ano na, magma-Mother's Day na guys. Teka, lagay natin ito para mas wide tayo. Yung
Actually, today is Mother's Day, pero in Korea,
it's Friday, it's Sunday.
it's today, but the first Sunday after that is when
Wait,
you celebrate.
you have to stop. Okay. Because you have to stop.
We celebrate the first Sunday after that.
Mhm.
See, no, because it was hard the
have also some Callius,
Because
Callio.
we're doing gym,
Yeah,
we're
because
doing,
of the-
you're the gym bro.
Yeah, no, nice. Not
Yesterday we did some exercise. I did also. I feel it today.
the leg,
I feel it.
the legs
No,
raise.
I didn't feel the abs. I feel it here while doing them.
Very good.
We are gym bro.
It's good when you feel it because it's good. Yeah. I always have pain in the legs kasi pinapalakas ko yung legs ko, guys. I'm
Because out of
training my
nothing.
legs.
You just like to lift your kids on your shoulders, like and jumping,
Yeah.
like squat. Obviously.
If you want easy, you lift Noah here. If you want a little bit hard, you lift Dylan.
I check his weight in the morning today.
Dylan,
Dylan, it is 16.6.
16.6 kilos. Alright. It's more heavy the one I'm lifting. It's 24 kilos. I'm yeah. So papunta na kami, mag-grocery kami ni Nancy. We take the opportunity, no, na mag-grocery without the kids. Kahapon dapat, kaso it's very hard to manage with the kids. Eko, ito guys yung traffic kanina. Yan yung traffic. Kasi ginagawa yung kalsada. I was here and then it started raining and then I think it's better you go on the other side. But you exit from the
No, you go more far.
a bit more far. Pero it's okay.
Okay, Matanda's just here.
Yeah. Labi na. Let's wait.
So, let's say that I'm learning Tagalog.
Yeah, yeah, so guys, Nancy is learning Tagalog. She decided to start learning Tagalog. Actually, she understand already Tagalog, but she needs to speak.
For the millionth times, I ask you to teach me because obviously, how can I learn if nobody's talking to me?
Yeah, it's true. Kasi nung nagkakilala kami ni Nancy, actually I already speak a little bit of Italian, kaya it's a bit easy, and then she speak English. That's why we are speaking in English. So now it's time for Nancy to learn Tagalog. Maybe one day we will live in the Philippines, and then it's better that she can speak a little bit of Tagalog. But you know, it's very hard to teach the language that you speak from
I know because I'm never
when you were
talking in
born.
Italian
Yeah.
to him. Or yes, I'm talking Italian. But if you're asking me why it's like this, I have no idea.
Yes,
It's just like that. This is how
you don't have no.
I know how to speak. Now I don't know why.
Yeah, sometimes.
Look how that guy is running. Very strange, no?
Yeah, it's strange, but it's okay. Important he's running. Yeah, guys, it's not easy. Oh, this is the meeting of the Marias. So it's not
Marites.
easy really. May mga marites doon. Ayun, apat na matatanda, nagmamaritesan sila. So it's not really easy to teach your own language. You have to be. I can teach Japanese than teach my own language because it's our spoken language, because we learn from speaking it, not from studying it, because there are rules na naka-attach in every language. Of course, the language is created by rules. Like kung di nyo na itatanong, guys, I am a Japanese speaker. I can read, I can write. I don't know now, it's been a while that hindi na ako nagsasalita ng Japanese, but I was a Japanese teacher and Japanese interpreter bago ako magbarko. Yan ang isang trivia that you don't know. And Nancy also is graduated as a language, English language or multi-language?
French and German.
Yeah, English, French, and German, so she can speak those three. But now it's time for her to learn English, right? English, Tagalog. Sorry. Tagalog. So it's time for her to learn Tagalog, but she can understand. She just need to speak like I am Nancy. Introduce yourself in Tagalog.
Ako si Nancy.
Maganda.
Umaga.
Maganda.
Ng gabi.
No, maganda po. Maganda ako.
No.
Sabi.
Che me lo dico da sola.
Go. What else you can say in Tagalog that you can?
Kumusta po?
It's no pressure.
It's okay.
Just try
I'm
your
okay.
best. Maganda, di ba? Di ba?
Ganda, di ba? Sai, non mi ricordo, non so, I know how to say tipo wife, so asawa,
Asawa.
but I don't know to say husband. So.
The same. Asawa.
Yes.
It's boy for husband and wife. It's asawa.
So, asawa mo, si,
Asawa ko.
asawa ko, si Ian.
Mhm. Asawa niya ako. Asawa niya ako.
Asawa
You're
niya
talking to
ako.
a third person.
And then, what else? Nothing.
You can say your age, Tagalog.
Ako ay 27.
Very good. It's okay, even the numbers is English. You see,
Yusuf, I knew also the numbers. Isa, dalawa,
Mhm.
tatlo,
Apat,
apat,
lima,
lima, non mi ricordo più,
anim,
anim,
pito,
eh?
pito,
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 walo, walo, siyam, sampu.
sampu.
But we can use, but you can use
sampu.
also you can use also Spanish, yeah, Spanish.
Ah,
1, 2,
tipo,
3.
what time is it? Alas,
Alas 3, alas 4.
4:30.
Media.
How do you say?
Alas 4 media. Media. Yung Tagalog. Pero media. Yun. So guys,
So this is the start. You can rate my Tagalog at like a 3 out of 10.
yeah. So
At the end of the week, I'll be a 10 out of 10.
yeah.
Oh,
I
maybe a
hope.
month.
I told Nancy to speak a little bit Tagalog during vlogs like this. I know you like it, no? And maybe we can do Tagalog only vlog and Italian only vlog. I would like to
But
vlog only in Italian.
sorry, I'm so sleepy.
But I need to put a translation. Anyway, there is already
sleepy.
AI that can translate your what you're talking about. It's really good. Diba, like in Italian, I can say ciao a tutti, buongiorno a tutti, benvenuti al nostro canale, benvenuti alla nostra canale. How we can say it's a brand new day, it's a brand new vlog. Oggi è nuovo giorno e nuovo vlog. Oggi siamo qua in San Benedetto perché ho accompagnato Nancy per andare a scuola sua
Enough.
perché oggi c'aveva lezione. Enough?
Basta parlare in italiano.
Okay, I said enough. Because it's wrong? No,
No, it's correct.
it's correct. It's just that I need to find courage not to speak Italian. No? Alright guys, so see you na lang dun sa ano. At ako'y antok na antok at
Eccola come
pa
si
ako.
diceva.
Sleepy?
Yeah, mi veniva solo fame, I'm hungry.
Gutom.
Gutom na ako.
And
Antok.
antok na. Ayan, gutom at antok na tayo niyan, fam. See you in a bit. Update, wala pang Pope. Okay? There's no Pope
Okay.
yet. Not yet. Okay. Kami guys, so start na tayo ng shopping. Ito yung pinakaunang kuha ni Nancy, maple syrup and peanut butter. Pang breakfast of course. No.
Sì, sì,
Breakfast.
no, non togli. I use for
Fruits is we still have this.
This is whey protein.
Ah,
The one that I'm using is
this one. It's all whey protein.
No, it's not protein. It's the one that I took. It's actually
Pancake plus protein.
no, mine. It's all flour.
Popcorn.
This is pancake mix.
Munggo guys. Dito daw ito.
€6 for 1 kilo.
Ayan.
I will order you when it comes back.
Munggo daw para matry ni Nancy yung yung sweet. Gusto daw niya ng sweet. Pero guys, napakamahal guys. Yung niya, yung 400 grams niya, ganito, 4 euro na, 4 euro. Imagine how much is 4 euro. 60 plus 60, 120, 240 pesos. 400 grams lang, wala pang kalating kilo. So maghanap kami ng mura, no? Find something cheap. Put. Lahat puro pagkain guys, puro pagkain lang yung namin. So, tapos na kami mag-grocery, nagmerenda na rin kami ni Nancy. At ngayon, pauwi na kami. Pero dadaan kaming sasakyan ko kasi iniwan namin dito sa isang bar dito. Sa malapit sa pasticceria ni Nancy kasi dinaanan ko siya kanina.
Sbagliato, eh?
Si,
Yes, immaginavo.
anyway, rotonda. So guys, Nancy just said fumata bianca means habemus papam. We have a new pope. They already decided one already with the white. For sure, when you watch this video, you know already kasi
Also the name.
also the name, and you know who already. At this moment of the vlog, we don't know yet who is it. We just saw that yung nagputi na yung usok from the Rome, Vatican. So habemus papam, yan ang ating sinasabi. So later on this vlog we will know. Kung para doon sa mga nanonood na hindi pa alam kung sino, just keep watching and then I will announce to you later on this vlog. Okay, so dito na kami. Kunin ko yung sakyan ko. Right, who do you think guys? I think it's Bishop Tagle, the first Filipino papam. Papa
A
Pope.
lot of people say can be the Italian.
Can be the Italian. No, can be the. So Team Italia or Team Filipino? Italia, Filipino.
It's actually between the Italian and the Filipino.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll see. Alright. Alright, guys. Back to my car. Ako diretso bahay na. Si Nancy dadaan dun sa mga bata. Siya na magpipick up. Alright. Kasi yung chair ni Noah nandun sa sasakyan ni Nancy. Kaya siya na magpipick up kay Noah. Sorry guys, this vlog it's more on only talking kasi wala naman talagang nothing special. I mean nothing so special. The only special on this vlog is we will know the new Pope ng buong mundo. So yun guys, yun yung ating special day, special news ngayon vlog na to. Pero without that wala lang special kasi sinamahan ko lang si Nancy sa school niya, then grocery, nothing much, no? Yo nga, dito ako sa bahay. So nanonood ako ng news. Yan, wala pa, di pa lumalabas yung inaantay pa lumabas si new Pope natin. Inaantay pa lumabas dyan sa sa balcony na yan. So wala pa, napakaraming tao sa Roma ngayon. Sana nandun din ako, no? Daming tao. So daming Pilipino rin dyan siguro sa Rome ngayon. So antayin natin guys. Nakabang ako. Labemus papam. Yan. Tra poco labemus papam. Yan. So mamaya announce ko. Okay? Wait ko lang. Yan. Okay? Yan na guys. I-announce na. Lumabas na. Naku po. Nakakaba. Magsasalita na guys.
La pace sia con tutti voi. Fratelli e sorelle carissimi, questo è il primo saluto del Cristo risorto.
Guys, dito na yung mga bata. For the new Pope, salute. So the first American Pope, siya yung napili nila na maging Pope, si Prevost. Pangalan ng bagong Pope natin, it's Papa Leon XIV. Leone XIV. So yun yung bagong pangalan ng Pope. So hindi si Bishop Tagle, but that's okay. That's for sure it's chosen. I hope. Yeah, we hope it's a good Pope that can give the world peace. You know, yun ang ating
Like,
world peace.
continue on what Francis was doing.
Yo guys, so yun yung ating
We'll change our plan for the dinner because the kids already ate their dinner in the house.
yes. So it's only me and Nancy na kumain. So we'll just do salad and yun. May already interview?
No, they're doing the
For everybody.
the history of the
Okay. So yun yung ating new Pope and let's pray for him. Let's pray for the world. Let's pray for the good. Okay? Thank you very much for watching yan, fam. Very quick vlog lang tayo. Sorry sa ingay. Yan, dito tayo sa labas mag-vlog. Very quick vlog lang yan, guys. Maraming salamat po sa panonood and want to end the vlog to show you this place, okay?